God, dude. Just breathe.
Okay.
I just gave the Son of God right there and then. Oh, that makes it worse. That makes it worse. What the fuck, dude? You already posted that image.
Now do you see one?
Alright.
Now do you see what I'm playing, Damien?
Yeah.
I don't want to drive right in front of you, Damien. And it just happens. I can't afford it anymore. This car is getting towed by a flatbed tow truck, and the car is totaled. I just want to see my brother's black Nissan Altima, bro. Yeah. But when I get older, Damien, I'm gonna drive a Nissan Altima black, just like his year 2015. Hey, Damien.
What?
Damien.
What? He just leaves. What?
Do you see the windshield?
Yeah, that's airbags. There's...
And do you see when the window broke?
Oh shit, you mean the front? Oh! Whoa! Damn, dude.
The mirror is broken off.
He got fucking dents in his car. His paint is off. Damn, dude.
Surprisingly, the back windshield didn't pop.
The back door is open.
I know. He had to get out from the back seat. The roof is dented.
Now just imagine this.
What?
Imagine you was in the car with him. What would you do?
Oh, I was already in one car accident.
What the fuck? Where'd that come from?
So it was me and my aunt and my brother Jake was going to a hot dog shop. And a stupid idiot wasn't paying attention and wha-bam hit the back of us.
I remember in like, what is it, 5th or 6th grade? I think it was 5th grade. When we was trying to go home from school, a fucking car tries to go to the middle of the road. There is no road in the middle. It's just fucking stone. What? I don't know what the hell you trying to do, but it's not trying to go to work.
Now you see why I'm upset?
Yeah, I can understand that now. Man, you making my voice crack, bro.
Oh, the other person's car was fixable, but this could be fixable. But now they decided to call it totaled. They could have freaking fixed it. Damien.
What?
Should I even drive at all?
No.
Why?
Because you get into the same accident as them.
What happened if I want to?
No. Is this what it looked like? It might be... Wait. Reenactment of your brother in the car crash?
Dude.
Whatever.
Damien.
What?
He would have had to get towed in a car. Oh my god. A lot of neighbors went out and checked because they heard a big crash noise. And my brother's Fernando's car blinker was still going off when he landed. He had to wait away. Damien.
What?
He had to wait away, okay? This stupid 8-year-old woman. When the stop sign all the way back. No, if they would have stopped, they wouldn't get that much speed when she stopped. But no, she stopped when he hit him right in the freaking back of the car. He flipped on all four sides, the whole other side is straight. And I left my tennis racket in the back of the trunk. Back of the car. some of the thankful because they didn't try. Yeah, let's show you, like, them on, like, the where's my racket? Oh, son of a... Oh my god, I had to go back in my freaking wizard world. The only damage to my tennis racket is just thing on the side.
Bro, why is it?
Thank God I had it.
How the fuck is your tennis racket so invincible?